That was good, y'all. I'm gonna teach you how to use crypto.com real quick. All right, so we're on the home page right here. After you make your account, this is where it'll take you. It has your favorites. It shows your total account balance there at the top. Also shows the top gainers of the day, and then crypto news. You could click on articles down here below. Next page is the accounts page. This shows the balance in your crypto portfolio. So you can see my holdings right now, and my total balance. I can click on these individually, see what they're doing, see when I bought in at. Next, we'll go to the track page. This page organizes all the cryptocurrencies offered on the exchange, and even some not on the exchange, but it shows you their market cap and how much they're going for right now. You could click on them. It gives you the chart, and then also shows the news if you want to see what exactly it is, and then it also ranks it based on their market cap and how profitable they're expected to be. So it's really easy to kind of see what's cracking at the current time. Card. So here, crypto.com offers a prepaid crypto debit card. So what that means is, I'll show you guys here. So they offer a free card where you get 1% cash back. You could apply. From what I've heard, it's taking anywhere from 1 to 3 months to get those. So it's kind of hard to get. Well, it takes time to get, I should say. Next is the Ruby Steel card. So this one is the one I plan on getting. So it's $400 up front to buy the card. And when you buy the card, you buy a CRO token, which is crypto.com's token. And you have to hold it for at least 6 months. That's what this staking means. It just means holding your money, investing it with them for at least 6 months. But you get this prepaid debit card. You can spend it, withdraw at least $400 each month from it because it's prepaid. You already put the $400 down. But you get 2% cash back on everything you spend it on. And you also get 100% Spotify back, and they all pay you that in CRO, which after you get the CRO, you can convert it to whatever cryptocurrency you want. So just think about that. Spotify is $12.99 a month. So that means they're going to send you $12.99 in CRO tokens every single month. And the value of that's going to grow. So even if you're paying the $12.99 for Spotify, they're sending you that back plus more on top of the cash back. If you really want to get crazy with it, they got the Jade and Rail Indigo. This card is going for $4,000, so you can spend more with it. You have a $4,000 limit. This one comes with the airport lounge, 3% cash back. It covers Spotify and Netflix, and you get 10% back in rewards and CRO tokens. Next, got the Icy Whites. The rewards just keep getting crazier. Airport lounge plus 1 gifts, 5% cash back. Expedia. This one, however, I believe is $40,000 though, so they just get more crazier. $40,000, and I believe this one's $100,000. But you get everything: 8% cash back, 12% back in rewards, airport lounge, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Spotify. So I mean, if you got some bread, this will make you even more bread for real with that bread. So it's a good investment. But for most people, I recommend the Ruby Steel for $400. And by the way, so I mean, all this is in CRO. So the CRO token, if we go look at it, CRO token is only going for 24 cents right now. 24 cents. But if we look at this on a 6-month chart, it was going for less than a penny. Well, no, 4 or 5 cents. 4 or 5 cents back early 2020 before this year. 5 cents. And now it's up to 24 cents. So it's already 5x. So if you would have bought the credit card around then and bam, you spent $400 around then, by the time you're finished staking your money, 6 months later, your money's grown 5 to 6 times already, which is crazy. So not only have you been running up with the cash back, but your money that you invested, that $400 is already grown. So definitely recommend getting a prepaid debit card. You can make a lot of money with it. And like I said, you can convert CRO to any of these currencies, any of them. But yeah, that's pretty much it for crypto.com. If we hit the blue button here, it's just the main menu here. So you could pay with your crypto.com card. Like once you get it, you can scan and send money to people. It's free to pretty much send cryptocurrency to other people that have cryptocurrency, crypto.com accounts. So I recommend if you got like a significant other or family, have them make an account. It's pretty much like Cash App. Y'all can send each other crypto. Earn, so you don't have to get the credit card to actually stake and get the rewards. You could choose any currency that you really want, but they offer interest rates on them. They pay you interest for holding them, depending on how long you want to earn. So this one, earnings will be paid out every 7 days. Depending on how much money you put up, you'll make a certain percentage. So this is a good way to earn too, if you plan on putting some bread and holding it there for a minute. Lastly, they do have a referral, so it's $25. The person you refer gets $25, and then you get $25 if they sign up for a $100 credit card. I mean, for the credit card, not credit card, prepaid debit card. If they sign up for a card and fund their account with $100, you get $25 back too. So it's mainly for them to get the $25 free in CRO tokens. So just to get them started. So definitely can help friends out and get them started too. If you guys have any questions, ask them in the crypto chat in the Discord. I listed the top 5 currencies that I'm messing with for 2021 in the crypto quick start guide. So holla at y'all later.